Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful wig. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So for today's wig, I'm going to sew 4 braids on the sides, and then in the middle and at the back I'm going to sew the Afro weave. So guys, if you've watched my previous tutorial on how to make a wig without a frontal, I'm going to use the same process. I'm going to first of all mark on my dummy. So I already marked on my canvas, and then I'm going to push my cap behind just like 1 centimeter, and then I'm going to pin down my braids and then sew them on the cap. So if you haven't watched my previous videos on how to make these braids, I'll put the link in the description box down below. Just in case you want to know, I'll put the link in the description box down below. So if you're making this type of wig, just make sure the tips of your braids are strong so that they don't move on your forehead. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, telling myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, telling myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. So for these extensions at the back, you can cut them, you can sew them on the cap, but I prefer sewing them on the cap because when you cut, they might unravel. So I sew them together and then sew them on the cap. And then also make sure the sewing is tight on the cap because you're going to sew the weave on top of these braids. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, telling myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the Cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, telling inside. Butterflies fly away from me tonight. These feelings inside.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.